Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the linked single crochet. This is a fun stitch. It's a dense stitch, a very sturdy stitch. I think this would be great for a bag, especially if you made it out of cotton. It does crochet up pretty slowly, but if you have the patience, I definitely think it would be worth it. I'm excited to show you all how to do this one today, so let's hop into it. To begin your linked single crochet project, you want to chain any number of chains plus 1. Then turn it over. We're going to work in the bumps. You want to skip this bump closest to your hook and do a standard single crochet into the following bump, the second one from your hook. So we'll insert our hook into that bump, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Then what you're going to see here is we have a V on the top of our stitch and a leg underneath that stitch, that single crochet. We're going to insert our hook right into that bar there, that leg underneath our V. This is going to link the single crochet that we are going to do in the next bump. So from here, we're going to insert our hook into that next bump, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, just like we would a single crochet. And there we go, our first linked single crochet. Then we're going to insert our hook into this third bar in order to link our next single crochet. So it may look like a half double crochet here because we've pulled through all 3, but we're really just linking the single crochets together by inserting our hook into that bar and adding a third loop on our hook. It's not a half double crochet. It's still a single crochet. It's just linked. Adding that extra loop on our hook links our single crochets together. So I don't want you to get too confused between the 2 stitches. I promise this is a single crochet. So in order to link this next single crochet to this linked single crochet, we're going to insert our hook into this third bar here. So if you're looking at your project like this, you have 1, 2, 3 bars. We're going to insert our hook into this third bar, this bottom bar here. And then we're going to insert our hook into this next bump. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook for another linked single crochet. And we'll just keep doing that all the way until the end. We're going to insert our hook first into this third bar here. So 1, 2, 3, right into this third bar to link our single crochets. And then we're going to insert our hook into this next bump, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. This bottom bar here, insert your hook. And then insert your hook into the following bump. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Let's do it again. We're going to insert our hook into this bottom bar here. And then insert our hook into this next bump. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And we're going to do the same thing for this last bump here. We don't need to change anything to end our rows, just another linked single crochet. So we'll insert our hook into this bottom bar. And then insert our hook into this last bump. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And there's our first row. It's so pretty. Awesome. And then from here, we're just going to chain 1 and turn. And we're going to do the same thing that we did on that first row. In our first stitch, we're just going to do a standard single crochet. And then in the next stitch, we are going to begin our linked single crochets. So we're going to insert our hook into this bottom bar here. And then insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And we'll do the same. We're going to insert our hook into this bottom bar here. And then into the next stitch. And then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And we're just going to keep doing that all the way to the end. So I'll meet you there. Alrighty, we are at our last stitch here. So we're going to end it just like we did our previous row with another linked single crochet. Nothing special here, just another linked single crochet. So we'll insert our hook into this bottom bar here. Insert our hook into this last stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on our hook. And then chain 1 and turn. And you'll just repeat that. You'll repeat row 2 all the way up until your desired length. Super, super simple. But as you can see, it does take some time to do. I'm excited to see what you all make with this really fun stitch. Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!